Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a S-curve cylinder arrangement. We have to make a rectangle, start from here, then we can click here, and then we can click for any size and any direction. So then we can scale this rectangle, and then we can using the scale and select this one. Okay, then we have to push it up and triple click, right click, and make group. And then we can make a curve as with using 2-point arc. Start from here. Okay, you can start from here. Then you can start from here. Okay, then you can start in here. You can start making in here. Okay, so you have to triple click, right click, and make group. And then you have to make a cylinder with a circle. Then you can place on this position, click, and then you can push it up. You can push it up. It's depend on you. It's just a variation of height. You can push up any with any size or any height. Then you can click, and then you can select move, press Control, and duplicate it. You can duplicate it one by one. You can duplicate it one by one by following this S curve. By following this S curve, anyway, this one, and okay, you can try it. Okay. Okay, it's almost done. You can adjust by yourself. Okay, this is about the S-curve cylinder. So in this object, you can also assign with another material. Maybe you can assign with a metal material. For example, you can assign with this material and this position. And also you can adjust for every single height. You can adjust for every single height with a with a variative height of this cylinder. For example, just like this, you can make the variation of height. This one and this one, and you can also make the another continuity of the variation of this sculpture. Anyway, this is usually using for the sculpture design. So you can adjust this sculpture design with a cylinder. You can arrange with a cylinder, and you can add more cylinder on this 3D model. You can add more cylinder in here. For example, you can add more cylinder with a circle, just like this. Right click and make group, and also you can make the cylinder again in here. Triple click and make group, and also you can add for the another material over there. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you. Have a good day.